the growth loops can kind of help you build two things. One is it's the acquisition side of things, and second is the retention side of things. If you start with the acquisition side of things, let's talk about the large number of channels that exist for any company's B2C product, for any company which is in the B2C side of products, right? So you have organic, you have paid marketing, you have influencer, you have a referral kind of channel, and some companies also use an affiliate kind of channel. When you look at the cost of customer acquisition, in the sense like the amount of money I spend to bring a particular customer on board to the platform, like the reverse order, like the cheapest one is always organic first, in the sense organic is where the user has come by themselves, you did not even spend a penny on them. Second is referral, where the current existing user is given some money to kind of bring a new user who is in their circle or their network. Third, in general, is the influencer, like all the influencers you generally see out in the world, like right from say Rachna Ranade to Ankur Warikoo to a lot of people in the Indian ecosystem who kind of speak about products so that you are aware about some products and then aware of features in the particular product. And lastly, it is paid marketing. Like every time you go to a Facebook or a Instagram or a Google, you kind of see the sponsored ads, right? So these are the different channels that exist. Growth loops especially help you come a lot on the organic and the referral side of channels. Whenever you kind of increase the share of acquisition through these channels, automatically the cost of customer acquisition reduces a lot. Your over dependence on channels like say paid marketing or influencer will kind of reduce, and it will kind of increase your share of organic and referral channels, and it will automatically reduce your say the cost of customer acquisition. The second part which it will kind of help you is with retention. So if you generally look at so in retention world, what it is called in general is like say, people measure a couple of things. There is a D7 retention, D14 retention, M3 retention and all. So what does it mean is say a platform on a platform, say suppose a user has joined on 1st of December, and by 7th day of the platform, which is say like by 7th of December, if the user comes back to the platform, then they are a D7 retained user. Similarly, if they come back on 14th of December, they are a D14 retained user. Similarly, they come back by M3, which is like third month, which is say end of February, right? So they are a third month retained user. Now, any platform which generally has a M3 of greater than say 25% has been a really successful platform when it comes to a transactional platform side. So whenever you create these growth loops, you automatically kind of help remove the leaky buckets. The users are coming onto the platform, but if they're not getting retained, right, then there is no point in spending a lot of money on those users, because you might be incentivizing them for their first purchase, or you might be discounting them and all, right? So growth loops necessarily kind of bring reduction in your cost of customer acquisition, and also have a very good retention, which means it will kind of fix your leaky bucket problem, which automatically converts into a higher average revenue per user or a customer lifetime value and all, right? And hence, like people kind of do this growth loops each and every company.